Hello students, in this video I will explain you about binary tree traversals. In last video we learned what is binary tree, and representation of binary tree, okay, using arrays and linked lists. And in this video I will explain you about binary tree traversals. Okay, suppose when we want to display the elements in a binary tree, to display these elements we have to follow some order in order to display the data or data in the nodes of a binary tree. Okay, we have to display some order. So displaying elements in a binary tree in some order, that means in some order of the nodes, is called traversal method. Okay, what is traversal method? It is a method in which way we are displaying the order of elements or order of nodes in a binary tree is called a traversal method. Okay, so what do we mean by this traversal? Traversal means displaying or visiting order of nodes is called a binary tree traversals. Visiting, suppose first we are visiting A, then B, okay, then D, okay, I, J, F. This is called visiting the node. In which order we are visiting the nodes, okay, in which order we are displaying the nodes in a binary tree is called binary tree traversals. Okay, so the binary tree traversals are three types, that is in order, pre-order and post-order. So in any one of the traversal method we can display the elements in that particular order in visiting that particular order of nodes. Okay, any of the method we can use to display the data or nodes in a binary tree. Okay, based on that order we will display the nodes or data in the binary tree. So we will see the three traversals of binary tree. Okay, so now see, in order traversal what we have to do, suppose for example we have three types of traversals. Okay, now this is a binary tree. Okay, I was taking a binary tree. Okay, the binary tree is like this: A. Okay, this is the binary tree. These are the childs I and J, G, H, okay, and K. Okay, A is the root and these are the childs of the tree. Okay, now this is this is a binary tree. Now we have to display the nodes in some order. So displaying nodes in some order is called visiting a node in a tree. Okay, that is called traversal. Okay, to display the nodes we will traversal in three methods, that is in order, we call in order traversal, post order traversal and pre-order traversal. Okay, in order traversal in a binary tree, first we have to visit left child. Okay, first visit left child, then visit the root, okay, then visit the right child. Okay, this is in order. First visit the left child, visit the root and right child. Whereas in post order, first visit left child, okay, then visit right child of a binary tree, okay, then visit root. Okay, and in pre-order traversal, first visit root, then left child, okay, then visit the right child. Okay, in this way, in order traversal we have to visit or display the nodes first left child, then visit the root, then right child. Whereas in post order, visit the left child, right and root. Okay, in pre-order, root, left child and right child. Okay, now this is an example of binary tree. Okay, now I want to display the nodes of this binary tree. So so what should I do? I have to traversal through the nodes of the binary tree. So first I was taking in order travel. I want to display the nodes of a binary tree in order. Okay, by using in order traversals. Okay, now this is a binary tree. Now in order traversal, now A, these are the elements B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J and K. Okay, now in order, how to visit the nodes using in order traversals of a binary tree? First visit the left child, then root and then right child. Okay, now here first I should visit left. Okay, then root, then right child. Okay, now first we are visiting A. What is A? A is a root. Okay, then first what we have to visit? Left. So A is root, so we doesn't visit this one. Next, this is left subtree and this is left subtree and this is right subtree. So what we have to do? First visit left subtree or left child. So I was visiting left. Again B is also root. Again visit left. Okay, B is also parent. Okay, it's not left. This is next D. Okay, now D is also parent. Next I. We are visiting only left. We are trying to visit left. So what is this? This is a leaf. So what we are doing? First visit left. So we are visiting I. Next, after left visit root. Now left is finished. Now D, root. Okay, D is the root. D is the parent for I. So we will visit D. Okay, next right, J. Next we finished left part of parent B. Now next parent B. Root means here parent. Okay, B. Okay, left is finished, parent is finished and right, remaining right. Okay, next what we have to do? Finish, left part is finished, left subtree, then visit the root. So I am visiting A. Next right. Now in the right, again it is parent. So what we have to do? Then again visit left. Okay, now this is also parent. Okay, now visit left. No left. There is no left node. It is null. So what we will do? We will visit root. Okay, finish. Then next right. Next root. Next right. Okay, this is called in order traversal. This we call in order traversal. Okay, again you see in order traversal, first we have to visit left child or left child of left subtree first, root, then right. Again in the right, first visit left child, root and right. Okay, in the subtree we will call parent, root means here parent. Okay, now you see first A is the root, so we don't visit A. Then finish, come left. This is the left part. So in the left part we will consider this subtree. Okay, we will consider this subtree. Now again B has children, so we can say B as a parent. So again we don't visit B. We again here left, come this side. So what is D again? D is also parent. So what we will do? Again come left. So what is left? Only leaf node. So first we will visit I, left, root, root means here parent, and J, right child. So left child, root, right child, I, D, J. Next finish this left subtree of B. Next we will visit root B. Next again right subtree, that is only F. Finish left part. So we will visit now root A. Next we will come to right subtree or right part of the root. Okay. Now again C has two children. So we will consider this as parent. And next again we have to visit left. First left only we have to visit. So again here parent because it has a child K, and again left. If we see the left, it has no left child. So we will visit root. That means parent G. Then right K. Finish. We'll go here. Root C and right part H. This is called in-order traversal of a tree. Okay. Now we will see pre-order traversal of tree. Okay. So here pre-order traversal means how to visit the nodes in a tree. We'll visit the nodes in a pre-order first. Root, okay, left child and right child. Okay. Now for the same example we are visiting pre-order. Okay. Now pre-order means first root. So this is our root. So we will visit A. Okay. Then next left. After root again left and then right. So again we are visiting left. We finish visiting root. Then visit the left subtree or left child. Now in the left subtree or left child B. B is also parent. That means equivalent to root. So we will visit B. Okay. Now again visit left part of left subtree of B. This is the left subtree of B. Now again what is D? D is a parent which has two children. So we have to visit D. Okay. Then next again left. Okay. Now this is a leaf node. So we have to visit this leaf node. Root finish left, that is I, and next we have to visit right J. Now root. We already finished. We finished root and left part, and we have to visit right. Then F. Okay. We visit root and left. Then we have to visit right. Now when we come to right, what is C? Again parent which has two children. So we will visit C. Okay. Then next again left. Okay. This subtree we have to visit. So what is G again? Parent which has a child, that is equivalent to root. So we will visit G. Then left. There is no left child. So what we will do? We will visit right child K. Finish. Now we finish left part of parent C. Now right part. We have only H. This is the pre-order traversal. Okay. So how we will show this? Now we have a root A. First visit A. Root. Pre-order means root left right. So visiting A. Then left subtree or left child. So this is the left subtree of A. We visited A. Then visit the left. Then right. So again what is B? Parent. Visit. Next left to B. What is D again here? Parent. Visit D. Okay. Next what is left to D? I. So this is leaf node. So we are visiting left part I. Then next we finish root. Then next right part J. B is a root parent. We finish parent and left. Remaining right. We visit the right F. Then A. We already visited A. Then we finish root and left. Remaining right. When we come to right again, C is parent. So we will visit first C. Then come to left part of C. Then again what is G? G is also parent. We will visit parent G. Now left is empty. So we will visit right. Finish left subtree of C. Root parent C. Now right. Right is we have only one node H. Okay. This is called pre-order traversal. Then we see post order also. Okay. Post order means how we have to visit first left. Post order means left, and root. Okay, left, right, root. Okay, pre-order means root, left, right. Okay, post order, left, first visit left child, then right child, and then root. So for the same example we will see. Okay, pre-order. Okay, I'll write here pre-order traversal. Okay, how we will visit? Left, right, and root. Sorry, post order. Okay, left, right, root. Now for the same example, first A. What is A? Root. So we don't visit A. First we have to visit left child. So what is left? This is the left subtree. Okay. Now again, what is this? B is a parent. So we should visit first left. So D. What is this? D? Again parent. So what? Again visit left. What is left? I, which is a leaf node. So first we have to visit left. So here I. Next, after left, visit right. Right means this one. Right of this parent is J. We finished left, right, and then root. So we will visit root. Okay. So we finished left part of B, left subtree of B. Now we have to traversal right. Okay, in right we have only one node F. Okay, we finished left, right. Then we have to visit root. Okay, next we finish left part of A, left subtree of A. Now visit the right subtree. Now this is the right subtree of A. C. What is C? Again parent. So what we have to do? Visit the left. So this is also parent, but first we have to visit left child. So for this node G, there is no left child. So we are not visiting. Then next visit the right. Okay, what is right? K. So I am visiting K. So left and right are finished. Next root G. Okay. Now left subtree of C is finished. Next right subtree. What is right subtree? Only one node H. Then visit the root C. Okay. Then we finish left subtree and we finish right subtree. Now A. Okay. This is called post order. Post order means first visit all left child and visit the right child and then root. So if here A is the root, so what we are doing? We are traversing left child of or left subtree of root A, and then next we will visit right subtree of root A, then root. So here left subtree, again B is also parent. So what we are doing? We want to visit left. Again left, this D is also parent. Okay, it is also subtree of left subtree of B. So again what we have to do? Left child. Now this left child is no subtree. This is a leaf node. So first we will visit I. Then this is the left child. J is the right child. Then visit the right child. Then root. And for the B is a parent where we visit the left subtree. Then after completing left, visit the right child or right subtree F. Then we finish left, right, and then root B. Okay. Then we finish left subtree of A. Then right subtree. Now what? C is again parent. So we will visit left. G. What is G? Again parent. Then we have to visit left. There is no left child. So what we will do? Visit the right child K. Then root G. We finish the left subtree of C. Then right subtree H. Okay, then parent C. Then we finish right also. We finish left, right, and root A. These are called this is called post order traversal. Okay, like this we will traversal binary tree to display or visit the nodes in a tree using the three traversal, that is in order, pre order, and post order. Okay, In next section, I will explain about binary tree expression. Okay.